Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a RedNote post. If you have posted something on RedNote that you no longer want on your profile, you can delete it in just a few steps. So whether it's a photo, video or another type of post, here's how you can remove it permanently. So to get started, you need to open the RedNote app. So from here, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. And from here, you need to tap the post that you want to delete to open it. So after that, in the top right, there's this small menu icon. You need to select that. And on the bottom, you need to simply swipe in the right hand side and you need to select this delete icon. And you need to select this delete on the bottom and it will delete permanently. And you need to select confirm. And that is it. That's how you can delete a post on RedNote. Once it's deleted, the post is permanently removed from your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.